We're up here today in Paradise. We've been working up here for the last 3 years, doing fire restoration, putting in new fiber optic for AT&T. November of 2018, there was a campfire came through Paradise and completely decimated the entire town. Wiped out all the existing infrastructure, burned down all the poles, burned up all the copper.
The scope of this project is to get specifically the fiber underground where it's less susceptible to damage. They've got about 40 miles to install over the process of the next 6 years.
We're working in a residential area right now, tying in conduit and sub boxes for service. Today we have our 2330 drill on site.
We've been here after the disaster 2-3 years, but prior to that, we were also doing AT&T's maintenance with other companies, and switching to Vermeer and using their equipment, it's been helping us to prolong and feel more confident in our projects going forward.
We're in a lot of red clay, hard clay, depending on what time of year, and also getting into a lot of rock, cobble, some granite. And as you get closer up, farther north, you get into some more green granite material. If it's an area we're not familiar with, we'll try to dig some test pits, see what we're gonna need, and then I'll typically call Craig from RDO, and we'll discuss if I need any sort of rock heads or anything that we don't already have on our truck.
They look to us to provide them with the tooling, specifically the ACE bits and the armor system with the gauntlet bit.
I bid a job in Roseville, a little over 5,000 feet, and the ground conditions there are very hard. There's a lot of murt and rock. After the first day or two, I was worried we were probably gonna have to trench it. And we needed to contact RDO, and they set us up with the correct tooling, and we were actually able to drill the entire job.
Someone that hasn't worked with RDO, I would definitely recommend it. I've been through many other companies. They're always there. They always answer their phone, which is huge nowadays, and they respect that.
Dudley's, they're a third-generation contractor. They started with their grandfather, and we got to calling on them, and we got a shot, we got a demo, and I think they bought 3 drills since, and they haven't given a different competitor any business since we sold that first drill. They're just a real quality contractor, somebody that we're glad to be involved with.
So switching to RDO, cut back on our job time, and even if it saves us a couple hours a day throughout the year, it adds up huge and makes a big difference. I'm Kyle with Dudley's Excavating, and we choose to do more with Vermeer.